What's up, beautiful babes? Your girl Sweet Angel right here at Mixology. Y'all, Mixology, yeah, it used to be Mike's channel, but he just didn't gave out on this cooking thing. He cooks, but he don't want to record it. What can I say? So today I am going to make some baked potatoes. I am not going to be talking. I'm just going to mix it all up and let you know what I'm mixing up. That's about it. I do what I do. Mixology. That's what we're about. So y'all stick and stay right here on the channel. Make sure you subscribe and hang out with me in the kitchen. Your girl Sweet Angel trying to do something a little bit different. Okay? Y'all got me? I got you too. Let's get to the kitchen.
It's been 3 months since we talked. Feel like you're on the road, yeah. Me, myself, and I just keep on stumbling around. You get someone else who is loving you. Oh, there he goes. Panic, I'm an addict, feel that rage inside. And oh, he don't even know. Babe, how can you be so blind? 'Cause I can love you better than no one else. And I can hold you tighter than she can. 'Cause I can love you better than no one else. 'Cause I got good old love. Do you feel lonely in a prison, darling? I know I'm still stuck somewhere in your head. Still stuck somewhere in your head. Can you imagine me with someone else holding me tight here in my bed? And oh, there he goes. Panic, I'm an addict, feel that rage inside. And oh, he don't even know. Babe, how can you be so blind? 'Cause I can love you better than no one else. And I can hold you tighter than she can. 'Cause I can love you better than no one else. 'Cause I got good old love. And I can love you better than no one else. And I can hold you tighter than she can. 'Cause I can love you better than no one else can. 'Cause I got good old love. Oh, panic, I'm an addict, feel the rage inside. Babe, how can you be so blind? I can hold you tighter than she can. 'Cause I can love you better than no one else. 'Cause I got good old love. It's been 3 months since we talked. Feel like you're on the road, yeah. Me, myself, and I just keep on stumbling around. You get someone else who is loving you. And oh, there he goes. Panic, I'm an addict, feel that rage inside. And oh, he don't even know. Babe, how can you be so blind? 'Cause I can love you better than.
And there it is, my masterpiece. It's time to eat. Bye, y'all. Hey, what Mike say? Like, comment, and subscribe, and give me a high five.